Hey guys, welcome back to another gadgets video. Yes, thank you. Alright, so today I have something pretty cool for you. It's the Amazon Fire TV Cube. It's kind of a cross between the Amazon Fire TV and the Amazon Echo devices. Alright, so let's check it out and see what's inside the box. So what's included? You got the Amazon Fire TV Cube, Alexa voice remote, 2 AAA batteries, comes with 2 batteries, that's cool. Power adapter, the IR extender cable, Ethernet adapter. So what's really cool about this is I have the old school Fire Stick. So if you are like me and have a Fire Stick without voice commands, this is going to be a huge upgrade for you. I know a couple years ago the Fire TV came out with voice commands, can control your TV, basically do everything that this thing can do now, but it wasn't an Echo device. This is kind of a mashup between everything combined. Control everything with your voice plus your smart home. It's everything in one. I can't wait to plug this in and check it out. As you can see there, it will support ultra high definition 4K and HDR TVs. My TV behind me there is only a 1080p, so I can't take full advantage of this thing. I'm not gonna upgrade to 4K just yet, but when I do, this thing's gonna come in handy. So here it is, the Echo Cube out of the box. I kind of put the other Echo devices that I have in the house side by side, just so you can compare the size between all of them. I don't have the Echo Show, but I do have the Echo Spot. But you can see it compared to the Echo device here, the Echo Show, the Dot, which is way smaller, and then the Cube. But as you can see, it's not too much bigger than the Echo Spot here, which is really cool. I know the screen on the Spot is really small. I like this, it's the perfect alarm clock for me. I absolutely love this thing. But the review is on this today, so let's concentrate on this. Let's put this back. Okay, so on the top you have the plus minus buttons here for volume. You have a mute button, and then you have a button what you would see on the actual remote. You can actually just press the button without having to say the keyword. I'm not gonna say the keyword because it triggers all the other ones in my house. You guys know what the keyword is. But that's what that's for. Also, there's 8 microphones on the top. I don't know if you guys can see it, but there's 8 microphones. And around the back side here, we have a USB port, a port for your infrared extender cable, HDMI, and the Ethernet adapter. Most people aren't going to use the IR extender or the Ethernet adapter. So basically power, HDMI, connected to your Wi-Fi router. That's basically what I have here. So let's see how well this is going to work on my TV here. Alright, so here I am back right under my TV set. I have the Fire TV Cube hooked up right under my soundbar, and then there's my TV. So it was a pretty easy setup. It was about a 5-minute update, software update when I first plugged it in, which wasn't that bad. But after that, the process of setting it up was pretty easy. So what I want to do is see how well everything works with turning the TV on, volume, everything with my voice. Okay, so here we go. Alexa, turn on the TV. Okay, cool. So yeah, there we go. So it takes me right to the home page. Alexa, turn up the volume. Okay, I don't know if you can see that, but it did. There's little dots here. Let's do it again. Oop. Alexa, turn on the volume. Ooh. There we go. Cool. So all that works. That's pretty awesome. See, this is a huge upgrade from what I had. Like I mentioned before, I had the little stick here. I didn't even have the Fire TV with voice control, and it was really slow. This is a quad-core 1.5 gigahertz processor. I know it's the same exact quad-core processor as the previous generation Fire TV, which is weird. They didn't upgrade that at all. But for me, it is a huge, huge upgrade. Watch how fast. Look at this. This was not possible with my little Fire TV stick. This is blazing compared to that thing. This Cube is going to be a huge upgrade. On top of that, if you don't have an Echo device, you might as well just grab one of these because it's everything in one. It's going to control your lights, it's going to control your TV, it's going to control the volume. Also, watch this. Alexa, play Stranger Things.
Getting Stranger Things from Netflix.
Wow. Yeah. takes me right to Stranger Things. So this is what I'm talking about, how incredibly awesome this device is. It's so versatile. Alexa, stop. Alexa, home. Takes me right back home. This one last feature kind of sold me on the whole thing here. Watch this. Alexa, show Nest camera. Watch this, guys. Look at this. Takes a couple seconds for it to come in. Oh, well, it's dark outside. Very grainy, but that is my outside security camera looking at my driveway. So this thing, all I had to do was tell it to look at the camera and it pops up on my TV screen. This is absolutely incredible. This thing is absolutely awesome. It is an all-in-one device. It takes two devices, which are Amazon streaming TV and their Echo devices, combines it into one perfect little cube. Also, real quick, I wanted to show you the differences between the remote controls. This is the remote control for the old Fire Stick, and this is the remote control for the new cube. You'll notice it has a little talk button on here, so if you do press this, you can bypass the actual Alexa keyword and just say, turn on TV, turn on house lights, whatever you want. So this button's still kind of cool. I feel like they do say that when you get this, you can use voice commands with everything. You can just take this remote control, other than the setup, and just toss it to the side, which you can. It's very true, you can. But I feel like I'm still going to keep this around just for navigating Netflix, because I'm kind of used to that. I don't want to navigate Netflix or Amazon Prime or Hulu, which I have all of those, with my voice. I feel like it's going to take too long. I'm just going to click, based on how fast this is now, I'm just going to click right through it. So there's a lot of positives about this thing. So let's talk about some of the negatives. It doesn't support Dolby Vision. It does have Dolby Atmos, but nothing they can't add with a firmware update in the future. Also, it doesn't support DVR. That doesn't really bug me too much. I know you can control your cable boxes with it. It does come with two AAA batteries for the remote control, but it does not come with an HDMI cable. For $120, it should come with an HDMI cable. I got it for $89.99. Most people who do have Prime or are Prime members can get it for $89.99. It'll probably go on sale for non-Prime members to $99 or $99.99 in the future. But as of right now, it's $119.99, which I think is a great price. I paid more for this. Also, it does support all the regular apps: Netflix, Hulu, Showtime, HBO, CBS. For whatever reason, it does have a YouTube app on there, but you can't access it unless you go through Firefox or Silk. Still kind of cool that it includes a web browser, but I just want a YouTube app that launches right to YouTube. I kind of don't want to go through a web browser to get to YouTube, so that's kind of a weird thing. Still awesome that they included it on here. Alright guys, that's pretty much it. To wrap this up, the Amazon Fire TV Cube is an awesome little device. I'm not regretting getting it. It was a huge upgrade for me coming from this and this. These are the two I had downstairs in the living room. Take these, toss them to the side. The little cube replaces them both. So for $120, it is a steal. Absolutely go out and grab one. Also, let me know in the comments below if any of you just picked up the cube and how you are liking it, how it works for you. I only had a few little hiccups on the setup, but after that, smooth as butter. Also, if you like these videos, please give me a like, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.